Hello and welcome to this Camtasia tutorial series. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are looking to sharpen your editing skills, then you are at the right place. In this first model, you will explore what is Camtasia, how to install it, and give you a complete overview of the interface so you can start creating amazing videos. Let's dive.
Great, you are welcome back. So what is Camtasia? Is a powerful video editing and screen recording software developed by TechSmith. It is widely used by YouTubers, course creators, marketers, and educators because of its easy to use interface and powerful features like animations, annotations, and the screen recording option. So to get started, visit techsmith.com and download the Camtasia. It works on both Windows and Mac. Then the minimum requirement, 8 GB RAM will be cool. But if you have 16 GB RAM, that one is recommended. Then Intel Core i5 or better. Then at least 4 GB of hard disk space. So after you've purchased and you've finished the installation and activation, your next move is to open the Camtasia software. Great, welcome back. Now when you open the Camtasia software or when you launch Camtasia, this is what you will see. So the media bin where you import and store all your files, the canvas, the preview area for your project. Then you come to the timeline where all the editing happens. Then we have the tools panel, access, effects, annotations, transitions, behaviors, and the rest. So the properties panel. So with the properties, anything you select here, let's assume you pick transition or behavior, apply it to the video on the timeline. Then when you go to the properties, you customize the settings for any selected element. Now the last aspect we will look at is the preferences and then settings. So let's go to edit and then let's come to the preferences. We have the timing, partners, shortcuts. Let's go to the project. So always make sure you select the 1920, which is 1020, and then 1080. The frame rate 30 is okay. Or if you want to create a YouTube friendly videos, then you can select 1280 1280 by 720. So when you are done, you click on OK. Now whilst we are going on, we'll talk about the undo, the redo, the cut, and the rest. And that is it for module 1. You now have a solid overview of Camtasia and how to set it up. In the next video, we will start editing our first video using the timeline and basic tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next lesson.
That is it for module 1. You now have a solid overview of Camtasia and how to set it up. In the next video, we will start editing our first video using the timeline and basic editing tools.